Hi, I'm Mukesh to talk about Tirukkural 28 and welcome to our channel Independent CJ. நிறைமொழி மாந்த பெருமை நிலைத்து மறைமொழி காட்டிவிடும். Tiruvallur saying that the, the thoughts are express the feeling through words. For example, if we make make very angry, so that you will be so offense language will become. Likewise, the the thoughts is expressed as a words. For example, uh, uh, in in 1861 to 1865, the civil war is taking place in the America because they were black and white fight will be in going in the two between the America. Civil war means uh, country in the country within the country will be fighting. This is called civil war. At time, Abraham Lincoln is president of the America. At time, the the problem will be spike into many evil things. So that Abraham Lincoln was very deeply thinking about this civil war. At a time, the one army man come to the uh, uh, Abraham Lincoln space and tell that don't worry, uh, don't worry, God is with you. But the Abraham Lincoln said that not not that I'm worrying about why whether I am with God or not. It is a difference between God within with us or God with you. It is a pride of America, and then uh, this is uh, the words is come from the thoughts, so that thoughts is clean means or very pure means words also very come as a pure. That is good. Thanks.